pyramids or ecological pyramids. See here, pyramids, that is ecological pyramids, is one of the important way to interpret energy transformation in an ecosystem, as well as relationships, to reveal relationships in between different organisms, that is trophic levels, particularly primary producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumers, etc., as well as the number at successive trophic levels and biomass produced at successive trophic levels in an ecosystem. All this data is interpreted in the form of ecological pyramids, that is number of individuals at each successive trophic level, transformation of energy from one trophic level to another trophic level, as well as formation or production of biomass at subsequent trophic level. All the data can be interpreted in the form of ecological pyramid. So ecological pyramid can be of three types. The first one is pyramid of number, second one is pyramid of biomass, and third one is pyramid of energy. We will first discuss pyramid of number. It reveals number of individuals at each trophic level in an ecosystem it is always upright pyramid There are two types of pyramids, ecological pyramids. One is upright pyramid and another one is inverted. So pyramid of number is always upright pyramid, as number of individual at each tropic level goes on decreasing from primary producer to tertiary producers, tertiary consumers, primary producers to tertiary consumers. Number of individual goes on decreasing. Primary producer, tropic level, number of individuals, number of individuals, primary producers, then primary consumers, PC, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. We will take an example of a grass ecosystem. In a grass ecosystem, number of primary producers is much more. That is, the number of plants, particularly the number of herbs or grasses, is much more. If we will go in ascending direction, then primary consumers will be much less as compared to primary producer. The number will again go on decreasing as we move towards the top consumers. So at each successive tropic level, number of individuals in an ecosystem will go on decreasing as we will go from primary producer to tertiary consumers. Let us consider here primary producer. Number of primary producers is 58,578,000. The number of primary consumers will be near about 6 lakh 758. This number will further decrease as we will move from primary consumer to secondary consumer. This will be near about in some thousands, like 10,657. Here it will further decrease to near about 3 or 4 or 8, etc. So the most important thing is that number of primary producers is always more. The number will subsequently go on decreasing as we will move or proceed from primary producer to tertiary consumer. We will take an example of grass ecosystem. Grassland ecosystem. Primary producers that is grasses and different herbs or herbaceous plants whose number is maximum. The number will go on decreasing. Primary consumers, that is animals like rabbits and rats, will be still little in number. Secondary consumers like snakes etc., they will be again less than primary consumers, that is rabbits and rats, whereas the tertiary consumers like hawk or eagle will be again much less, that is they will be 3 in number in this grassland ecosystem. So this pyramid is said to be an upright pyramid as number of individuals go on decreasing from one trophic level to the subsequent next higher trophic level, and hence this pyramid is said to be upright pyramid. Pyramid of number is always an upright pyramid. Now second pyramid is pyramid of biomass. Pyramid of biomass. It reveals biomass formed at different trophic levels in an ecosystem. The pyramid of biomass is also an upright pyramid in most of the cases. However, there are certain or few exceptions also where this pyramid can be inverted one. I will going to discuss these exceptions in the latter part. In general, it is upright pyramid the biomass at lower trophic level is always more than its higher trophic level biomass in kilogram per meter square. So if we will observe here, the biomass of primary producers, that is grasses in a grassland ecosystem, is much more than that of primary consumers, that is rats or rabbits. Biomass of primary consumers, that is rats or rabbits, is always more than that of secondary consumers, and biomass of secondary consumers is much more as compared to tertiary consumers. So tertiary consumer will be having much less biomass as compared to secondary consumers. Eagle or hawk will be having much less biomass as compared to secondary consumers. Thank you.